Okay, so today was at quarter beginner contest 178. I actually didn't take part today. Let's see how the problems are. Actually, I was seeing problem C and I'll try to explain. I'll show the code. I am not so confident with this understanding of the solution, but I think you will get the answer with whatever I've done. First, let's see A and B. I've not seen only. So given an integer x greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1. So I think nobody needs any solution for this. We just have to just print 0 or 1. If x is equal to 0, print 1. Otherwise, print 0. So there is no need for explanation. So given 4 integers a, b, c, d, what is the maximum value of x, y, and x and y is this. So maximum value can be a into c, b into d, or a into d, b into c. I think only 2 are enough, but you can take all 4 combinations. I think a, c, b, d will be fine. Yeah, I'm guessing a, c into b, d will be fine. Let us see third one. How many integer sequences of length n can we make such that the number should be from 0 to 9? There should be some I such that 0 holds, some I such that 9, A of I is 9. And we should output the answer mod this thing. So after I read this, I kind of like came up with something like this. So I came up with something like this. You can read the solution. Actually, I don't know if it is correct or not. I just solved it right now. So let's first try to submit it. Yeah, so it is correct. So basically, I can make a separate video. Like I'm just seeing the problems right now. If I have to explain it, I have to take some time out. But I just tried the problem and I wrote a code. If you can understand through the code, maybe you can see it, but I'll try to make a separate video for that. So this is the code for that. And this one, problem B, I think this should be enough. Let's see if I'm right. Is it enough to check max of A into C? And B into D? I don't know, maybe it should be correct, right? Like in this case, A, B, C, D, what have they taken? It should be between A and B. So they have taken D and A. Yeah, so I think we need to take all four combinations. Like B into C and A into D as well. Is this the correct way to write the code first of all? Will I get any compiler error? Yeah, so this is giving a compiler error. Yeah, so actually I fixed that thing. So basically I'm taking maximum of all the combinations A, C, B, D, A, D, B, C. So I submitted that, it worked. Actually, I did not take part in this contest, so I cannot make any proper video. I'll see, maybe I'll try to read the problems if I'm interested and if I have the time. Otherwise, actually, I wanted to tell one more thing that I have made videos on a sliding window and also other topics. You please check out that in my playlist and you can check that. And if you find that helpful, please share the videos with your friends and please watch it completely and subscribe to the channel. So maybe I'll read the problems again and try to make a better video. So that's all. Bye.